Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. I am Nick. It is so good to see you guys here again. Today, we're gonna do something a little different. You can see I'm out here getting ready to sand this surfboard right here. And I have this surfboard because I'm gonna put this on top of the Audi R8. Why? Because we can. I have these custom bars to actually put things on top of the R8, and they're actually really sturdy. I had them built for this box that I had done in carbon fiber. Long story short, the box was gorgeous, and then I brought it home and the sun delaminated it.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
I parked it outside in the sun, and it was probably about pushing 120 that day. Regardless, I have a ton of carbon fiber parts. Not only the R8, but the M3, and I've had carbon fiber parts for a long time. Never had an issue with that, especially, you know, I have carbon fiber parts in the engine bay, and this has never happened, so it's all new to me. I brought it back, and he wanted to fix it right away, so that's really good, and he's just been taking a long time, and I understand that, but I'm kind of feeding to put something up there. So I have this. It does need a little work. I mean, I did get this secondhand, didn't pay too much for it. Fix it up. We're gonna wrap this up and see if we can't get this on the car and looking good. Here goes nothing.
Okay, so if you look right here, the surfboard's inside now, and we have this, as you can see, it's pretty beat up. And it's partly why I got it, because this won't ever go back into the ocean and surf. It'll be better use as an ornament, and I just took the sander to it. The top is actually pretty good, got all wax off of there, but you can see the bottom, how rough it is, and especially back here by that rear center fin. All in all, I think it's gonna work out for what it is. Got this red wrap, matches the R8 pretty good, and then plan on using this for the fins. So let's get wrapping, and hopefully this turns out good. I will warn you that I am not an experienced wrapper. It should turn out all right. All right, so as you guys can see behind me, got the surfboard on the car, and it's not wrapped red. My wife, she didn't like the red on there so much, and she liked the regular old looking beat up board better. I put it on Instagram. Overwhelming majority of you guys actually like this old beat up look better. Personally, I like red, but you know, I went with the voters. This is what we got, and I think I got something for it coming up soon, but I'm not gonna tell you what that is just yet. I gotta say, this is probably like the biggest waste of time I've ever done, because I went and got the board. I don't even surf, don't know how to surf. I've surfed once, and I'm just terrible at it. The board sucks. You probably couldn't use it as a surfboard, like legitimately in the ocean. It's not that good of a board, it's really beat. We're in Las Vegas. There is no place to surf around here. So this is literally just for aesthetics. I think it kind of looks cool. We got it secured up here. It's not really going anywhere. I guess we'll see how it does. You can see how ugly that is, and I really did not want that to show. The people have spoken, and they want this ugly board to be exposed, so I guess that's cool. Whatever, we'll go with it. Let's get over to this car show right now. Got one of those rare cold starts, and you know, I wouldn't say that the surfboard looks too bad. Got our cooler full of beverages here. We're on the way to the show now. All right, guys, so we're here at the Craig Ranch Park at the 360 car show. It's pretty awesome. Like I said in a couple of videos ago, the new M3s have really changed my mind, and look at this color. He said it was NC and blue. This color is wild. Can you believe that? I don't even think the camera is going to do this color any justice, but if you look at these seats, these are optional. The color is an individual color as well, but oh man, you see that? It's a manual. This car has all the right boxes ticked. It is just absolutely gorgeous. Oh, serious with the license plate like that. Wow. This car is completely stock, and it looks phenomenal. Look at those seats. Can you believe that? I don't even think the camera's gonna do this any justice. That is just crazy. Wow. This is lovely. What's up, dude? Nice to see you again, man.
How you been?
Doing all right, dude. I think everybody in high school wanted an SUV like this, and I'll be the first to admit that. This is just completely crazy. 32-inch wheels on the SUV. Look at the interior work, just crazy. got plenty of cargo space to annoy your neighbors. And you got these crazy looking doors right here. Just wild.
Yo, this shit is tight. Got the crew rolling. Three-wheeling. Dude, that's just tight, man.
Okay, I'm checking out this van right here. This is pretty damn cool. Got the Warren winch on the front. It's right side drive. I don't know if you can see that in there, but it is a manual, and it looks like it's all-wheel drive. Oh, dude, it's got TE37s on it. This is really, really cool. The camera will do this justice right now, but this is wild. I can tell that the shutter speed is really slow right now to let all this light in, but this is crazy. What's up, guys? I know that this was a little bit of a short video. You probably noticed that I didn't do a montage in this video, just simply because I didn't film enough B-roll footage while I was at the park, and that's completely my bad. Sorry about that. Noise in the background, you hear the dog's freaking drinking water. And he's getting after it. You see that? He's thirsty. I'm always continuously trying to make my content better for you guys. So if there's anything you'd like to see on the channel or hear me talk about, please drop those comments below. With all that being said, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, hit that like button below. Smash it if that's something you want to do. Subscribe if you already haven't. And we'll see you in the next video. Stay free, my friends.